What's up guys, this is Virgil from WeSupply. Let me show you how you can enable some notifications to send to your customers, either emails or SMS. So from the dashboard, just head over to the design tab, and here automatically you will see all the notifications. You can pick and choose which notification you would like to enable. We also created a button which, if you click, it would enable all the notifications that we usually suggest to start off with. You can always just click off, like whatever you would like to enable or disable. On the left hand side is the column for all the email notifications, and on the right hand side for all the SMS. Let me just walk you through a little bit what kind of notifications you can expect to send to your customers. So from shipments, we highly recommend to send out everything that is package shipped, for example, or exceptions where the package might be lost, or through different warehouses, or it might get delayed due to a snowstorm. Shipment delivered and out for delivery. This is basically going to be sent out the day of delivery. In the morning, it's out for delivery, so get prepared, make sure somebody's at home so your package doesn't get stolen. And delivered is basically the notification that's going to be sent out as soon as, let's say, the UPS guy scans the package and leaves it in front of the door. Also, shipment in transit is a really good one. This basically tells the customer that the package got not just shipped, but is moving from warehouse to warehouse. Other two notifications that are quite important are order delayed. This refers to basically packages orders that got received but they didn't get shipped yet. So and you can configure, for example, after how many days you would like these notifications to be sent out by just simply scrolling down on the page, and you can select here, I would like to send out this notification for all the orders that got placed but within 5 days they didn't got shipped yet. So just a reminder for the customer that, hey, we're still working on it, just be patient, it's gonna be shipped out shortly. So highly recommend to just go through all these notifications, read through, and check off whatever you would like to send out to your customers. Make sure you're not overloading the customer, so I definitely do not recommend checking off everything. And maybe too little is too little, too much might be too much, but there's always a good balance between everything. That's why I highly recommend to start off with what we recommend and expand from there, or pull back a little bit.